let's take you to the back door of the clinic. This is the lobby of our building. Right through here is where you'll be able to enter the clinic from the lobby right into our gym. We'll have open space for movements and exercise. This is where patients will start their care. We'll have a table right in the middle of the treatment bay. I think the treatment bay offers a lot of opportunities and advantages for patients. They provide some semi-privacy with barriers between patients receiving care, especially in the light of the coronavirus and the COVID-19. And being in a semi-private room that has a little more airflow and openness to it is better than a smaller treatment room in a lot of ways. But it also has the flexibility of having some openness to it as well. So.